Every place has a story, and today I'm exploring Massachusetts here at the EcoTarium in Worcester for a new exhibit called The Secret World of Elephants. It's from the Museum of Natural History in New York City, and it's a limited experience only through September 7th of 2026. So let's go inside and see what they got. At the center of the exhibit is this life-sized African savanna elephant. It's the largest land animal on Earth. And one side of the model projects what's happening inside the elephant's body. In fact, you'll learn that an elephant pregnancy lasts 22 months. There's a lot of hands-on displays where you can explore elephant biology up close. It'll teach you how they can hear through their feet, picking up vibrations in the ground from other elephants, communicating from miles away. So apparently you can learn a lot from the size and the shape of the elephant poop. So let's roll up our sleeves and get inside some dung and see what we can learn. The elephant's trunk is pretty versatile. Not only can they drink through it like a straw and then squirt that water into their mouth, but it's delicate enough to peel a peanut from its shell, yet powerful enough to pick up thick tree branches and logs. That's a pretty impressive multi-purpose tool. When you first enter the exhibit, you're going to come face to face with this life-sized woolly mammoth from the Ice Age in the middle of shedding its winter coat. But then at only 4 feet tall, you'll see a dwarf elephant that once lived on islands like Sicily hundreds of thousands of years ago. Apparently, when large animals become isolated on islands, evolution sometimes pushes them to become much smaller over time. There's a lot of hands-on stuff for the kids and man-children like me. More information through video and some reading if you'd like. The exhibit is in the EcoTarium's new Stoddard exhibition hall. It's a state-of-the-art space designed to host these world-class traveling exhibits, and they have more exhibits planned in the future. But the EcoTarium already offers 3 floors of interactive science exhibits, plus a planetarium and outdoor animal habitats and trails. Not exactly the day to be walking on the trails outside, but they do have one of the eagles that you can easily see. There's an owl as well. Not sure if the otters are out today, but let's go check it out.
Hey, there's the owl.
Who? Who? Oh my goodness, there he is. This is unbelievable. This is 2-year-old PJ. Her 9-year-old friend Daisy didn't come out while we were there. Apparently she was sick. The volunteer told us that river otters are incredibly playful and social animals. I remember watching a couple of them swimming in the big tank. You could see them coming in and out of the water. It's like they're showing off for you. The otter habitat is always a highlight of an EcoTarium visit. The Secret World of Elephants will remain open through September 7th. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing because there's always something new to explore here in Massachusetts. So I'll see you next time.
I hope I'm going to get to see him swim.
I don't think he's going to go in. He just groomed himself.
Maybe the water's cold.
Well, of course it's cold, but they like cold.
Oh, it's right in the snow. Oh, that's so silly.
Oh my God.
He's eating it now. He was biting. Why is he
Silly
putting
boy.
his head up? Oh,
That's how he's eating it. Oh, you're going to go in?
He eats another pig.
That's silly.